Hi, my name is Sonia WEIRICH. I'd like to offer you a neck and shoulder release. You can be seated in a chair, you can be seated Zen style upon some blocks, or cross-legged. We'll start with the right arm back behind you. If that's not comfortable, you can always just keep the right arm down alongside you. The palm of the hand is facing out behind you. And on an exhalation, you're going to turn the head left as you pull that right shoulder back. On an inhalation, come back to center. On an exhalation, turn the head left, shoulder pulling back. Inhale to center. On this next time, we'll stay, keeping the head turned to the left. You can stay like this, enjoying the stretch, or you can nod the head yes, taking the chin down and then taking the chin up and back. Moving nice and slowly to help release tension. If you find any place where you're getting a good stretch, you can pause there and direct your breath to that area, massaging that area with your breath. Then bringing the head back to neutral and back to center. From here, we'll do a side stretch for the neck. On an exhalation, take the left ear down as you pull that right shoulder down. So stretching through the right side of the neck. On an inhalation, come back to center. On an exhalation, lengthen through the right side, right ear moving away from right shoulder moving away from the ear, and then back to center. After about 3 to 4 repetitions, you can stay in that side stretch. And maybe this is sufficient, maybe this feels great. Or some options here, you can diagonally move the chin, taking the chin down towards the left shoulder, and then diagonally moving the chin up towards the ceiling. If you find any place where you're getting a good stretch, you can pause there and do some micro undulations. That's tiny little swirling action to help loosen up those little neck muscles. And after about 4 to 6 of those repetitions, taking the chin down, and then see about tucking the chin down into that left armpit. Pausing there, feeling the stretch, and taking your breath into that area of tightness and massaging that area with your breath. And then when you're ready, you'll take the head down to the center of the chest. Keep the head drop down, pause at center, massaging tight areas with your breath, relaxing the jaw, tongue, and throat. And then as you're ready, lifting the head up from the center of the chest, stacking one vertebra at a time, coming back upright. Release the arm from behind the back and do some shoulder rolls. Take those shoulder rolls in both directions. And then we'll repeat this on the other side. We'll sweep the left hand to the low back, palm faces out. And on an exhalation, turn the head right as you pull that left shoulder back. On an inhalation, release to center. On an exhalation, turning the head right, pulling the left shoulder back. Inhale, releasing to center. And after about 3 to 4 repetitions, stay with the head turned to the right. You can stay just like this, or maybe it would feel good to nod the head yes, taking the chin down and then the chin up and back. Moving slowly, evenly with your breath. And then when you feel ready, bring the head back to center and we'll move into that side stretch. You'll take the left ear away from the left shoulder moving down away from the ear, and then inhale back to center. On an exhalation, lengthening through the left side of the body, ear away from shoulder, shoulder away from ear, and then back to center. And then again. After about 3 to 4 repetitions, stay in that side stretch for the neck. You can stay just like this, or explore some diagonal movement, taking the chin down towards the shoulder, looking back behind you, and then diagonally moving the chin up towards the ceiling. Moving slowly, consciously, in rhythm with your breath. And never forcing anything, but looking for the invitation. And then when you're ready, you'll tuck the chin down in towards that right armpit, feeling the stretch through the left upper shoulder, the upper back, the neck area. Massaging tight areas with the breath. And then bringing the head back to center, keeping the head dropped down, pausing at center, head dropped. And then one vertebra at a time, stack the head back up, coming back upright, release the hand from the low back, and do some shoulder rolls. And take those shoulder rolls in the opposite direction as well. And that completes a little practice to help release the neck and shoulders. We'll see you next time.